Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the rich and diverse culinary heritage of Indonesia. Today, we're exploring a beloved Indonesian snack that you might recognize by its distinct sound, puthu. This traditional treat has more to it than meets the eye. Join me as we uncover unknown facts about puthu that will surprise you and deepen your appreciation for this sweet delicacy. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the origins and historical background of puthu. It, also known as Putu Bambu, has its roots in South India, where a similar dish called puttu is made with rice flour and coconut. The snack was brought to Indonesia during the trade era, and over time, it adapted to local ingredients and cooking methods. Puthu is traditionally associated with the sound of the steam whistle, which signals that a vendor is nearby, a unique cultural phenomenon in Indonesian street food. The name puthu is derived from the Tamil word puttu, meaning portioned, reflecting its steam, cylindrical shape. In Indonesia, puthu has become a symbol of nostalgia, often reminding people of their childhood days when they would eagerly wait for the vendor's whistle. Now, let's break down the simple yet flavorful ingredients that make puthu a favorite. The basic ingredients for puthu are rice flour, grated coconut, and palm sugar, which are all locally sourced in Indonesia. Rice flour is the main component, giving puthu its soft, fluffy texture after steaming. Grated coconut is added for its sweet, nutty flavor and moisture, which contrasts beautifully with the fluffy rice flour. The filling, made from rich, dark palm sugar, melts during steaming, creating a delightful, sweet surprise in the center. Sometimes pandan leaves are added to the rice flour mixture, imparting a fragrant aroma and a hint of green color to the puthu. The cooking process of puthu is fascinating and unique. Let's take a closer look. Puthu is traditionally steamed in bamboo tubes, which gives it its distinctive cylindrical shape. The bamboo tubes are lined with a bit of coconut to prevent the puthu from sticking and to add extra flavor. Once filled with the rice flour mixture and palm sugar, the tubes are placed over a special steamer, where they are cooked until soft and fragrant. The sound of the steam escaping from the bamboo tubes is a signature of puthu preparation, often heard in markets across Indonesia. In modern times, some vendors have started using aluminum or stainless steel molds, but the traditional bamboo method is still favored for its authentic taste and texture. Puthu comes in various regional versions across Indonesia. Here are some interesting ones. In Bali, a variation known as putu ayu is popular, where the snack is made in small, flower-shaped molds and topped with extra coconut. In some regions, pandan juice is added to the rice flour, giving the puthu a vibrant green color and a stronger aroma. Another variation, putu mayang, features a noodle-like texture and is often served with sweet coconut milk syrup. In East Java, puthu is sometimes made with a mixture of rice and glutinous rice flour, creating a chewier texture. In Sumatra, a version called Putu piring is steamed on a small plate, resulting in a flat, disc-shaped snack. Puthu is more than just a sweet treat, it holds cultural significance in Indonesia. Puthu is often served during traditional ceremonies and celebrations, symbolizing sweetness and prosperity. In Javanese culture, Puthu is sometimes offered as a snack during Selamatan ceremonies, which are communal gatherings for various life events. The snack is also popular during the fasting month of Ramadan, where it is enjoyed as a light, sweet snack after breaking the fast. Puthu vendors, with their distinctive steam whistles, are an integral part of Indonesian street food culture, evoking nostalgia among locals. Despite the rise of modern desserts, Puthu has retained its place in Indonesian hearts, often being passed down through generations as a family favorite. Not only is Puthu delicious, but it also has some surprising health benefits. The snack is relatively low in fat, especially when compared to fried Indonesian snacks, making it a lighter option. Rice flour, the main ingredient, is gluten-free, making Puthu a good choice for those with gluten sensitivities. Palm sugar, used as the filling, has a lower glycemic index compared to regular sugar, providing a slower release of energy. Grated coconut adds a dose of healthy fats and fiber, contributing to the snack's overall nutritional value. Because it's steamed, Puthu retains more nutrients than snacks that are baked or fried, making it a relatively healthier dessert option. Puthu has evolved over the years, gaining recognition beyond Indonesia. Contemporary chefs in Indonesia are experimenting with new flavors, including chocolate and matcha, to cater to modern tastes. Puthu has made its way to international food festivals, where it's celebrated for its unique preparation and traditional roots. Fusion versions of Puthu have been created in overseas Indonesian restaurants, combining it with Western desserts like ice cream. The snack has been featured on popular food blogs and travel shows, highlighting its cultural significance and delicious taste. Puthu is now being sold as a packaged dessert in some specialty stores, bringing this traditional snack to a global audience. Before we wrap up, here's how you can enjoy Puthu at its best. Puthu is best enjoyed fresh off the steamer when it's still warm and the palm sugar inside is melted and gooey. Pair Puthu with a cup of hot tea or coffee to balance the sweetness and enhance the flavors. In Indonesia, Puthu is often eaten as a mid-morning or late afternoon snack, making it a perfect pick-me-up. If you can't find a Puthu vendor nearby, try making it at home using bamboo molds or small cups for an authentic experience. For an extra indulgent treat, drizzle some coconut milk over the Puthu before serving, adding richness to every bite. And there you have it, fascinating and unknown facts about Puthu, Indonesia's beloved sweet treat. Whether you're a long-time fan or a curious foodie, I hope you've learned something new about this delicious snack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.